It's like when you named the baby how.
And he literally was like to the president, he's like, "Governor, baby, how it's barada." And I said, "Oh, what?"
Abdullah, هذا حاوك راعي صوت.
I was like, "What? Is this kid serious?"
كويت ولويتن عمل في صومالي كقرنش. أنت منك سو صومالي. قبلها والله شيء
شلون وريها شيك
بيبي حاو
Her trademark name is Aya How. Like everyone knows her as Aya How. She acts like she's 80 years old.
قبل حاول لها إسبرني مركب حتري أنيقا ياللي وكادرين أني وحنا هاي بتري أي حاو مركز أقول أي حاو متيري بيبي حاوات قبل يرفع تاي بقولي ما قعدناش سقي من المركب
Abdullah, aka my brother-in-law.
Yeah, that's Abdullah for you guys.
It's one of those characters you'll never forget.
I'm not sure what his age was, but he was really short.
He said he was 12, but not many people really thought he was 12.
Some of his classmates are saying he's 16, someone he's saying he's 12, some are saying he's 30, so it's still a mystery. No one knows how old he is.
13, allegedly 13-year-old boy in Kismania.
He's not 12. He cannot be 12. I'd say he's 21, 23.
He speaks like a 50-year-old, by the way. He acts like a 50-year-old. He hangs out with 50-year-olds. He's a 50-year-old.
He's wearing a fetishari in like 100-degree weather. And it's so hot. And he's going hiking with his posh shoes.
markad ninkan yaro hadalka soo ku hadlay nin weyn way u leeyahay ninna waa wax garad oo xulay ninka oo nin yar aqliga Ilaahay baa si saas faa marka dadka
waxa weeye inanka ugu daada yar Kabalan
hadda daadamaad waan ku arkaa koban baa la jirtaa kobanna waa la reebay dee maanta Australia waxaan ula jiraa waa asxaabteeda aad baan isku baranay aad baan u jecelahay hadda calankoodii waan wataa.
It's pretty much like a celebrity. This guy comes with us to the president of Jubiland's house, and he knows him already. And we're like, oh, we thought we just brought him along, you know?
He gets his food before everybody, eats it before everybody, and goes and chills with the old guys.
But Abdullah was an interesting guy. Like I feel like he's the only one that can put all the boys in check. He'd be sitting there. He loved the stories and the story time. He had a Samsung that he pulled out every 5 minutes, and he'd be like "Qatki isogal" or whatever, you know. But Abdullah was an interesting character. I feel like he was the highlight of the trip for everyone. Like literally.
San ku sheegay rag waaweyn baan ku soo dhax koray marka labiskayga marka soo iska labisanayo ani ma sha Allah. Si Allah iska labisanayo. Waa aragtaa marba ya.
He took a liking to how, baby how.